Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a decision box field in Bitform. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the decision box field. Drag and drop the decision box field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the decision box field settings. Name is the unique identifier for the field, and you can modify it if needed. Edit your decision box field label by clicking on the edit icon. You can also personalize the content format of the decision box field by using smart tags, insert links, or media. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. The required option makes a form field mandatory and lets you customize the error message. The disable option prevents users from entering or modifying any information in the form, ensuring that the form data remains accurate and unaltered. If you enable this option, the decision box field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the decision box field will be visible. This feature allows users to ensure that when a user checks the decision box field, the value recorded on the entry page will be accepted by default, and you have the flexibility to customize this value as per your needs. This option ensures that if the decision field is left unchecked when submitting the form, the value recorded on the entries page will be automatically rejected by default. You can also customize this default value to suit your preferences. By enabling this option, the decision box field will be checked by default. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the decision box field. Here, you can see that the decision box field has been successfully added to the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.